All right, another surds example, and we're going to do method 1, method 2, and look at the two, compare them and see which one might be more suitable. So for this question here, this is a whole bunch of multiplications. There's a hidden multiplication here and here. This is 2 times by root 12 times 5 times by root 3. So any multiplication that you have, you can rewrite it in any order you like. And I'm going to write it as 2 times 5 times root 12 times root 3. In fact, that's the same method, that's the same first step, no matter which method you use. And here, we'll combine the pieces. 2 times 5 is 10. And then here, we are going to use this rule. And you can see we have two separate roots. And two separate roots we can combine into one root. So we're going to put it together straight away. So this is the square root of 12 times 3. So this is 10 times by the square root of 36. And you can see that root 36 works out nicely. So 6 squared is 36, root 36 is 6. So this is 10 times 6, and that's 60. Okay, that's the finished answer there. Just highlight it at the end. And then the other way is just a little bit different. So I'm going to put 2 times 5. But the 12, I'm actually going to break down. So I've got a root 12 and a root 3. And I'm going to break down the bigger number. So instead of root 12, I'm going to have it as root 4 times root 3. But then don't forget, you've still got this other root 3 to bring down as well. And this is then root 3 as well. So this is what it looks like. It looks quite interesting, doesn't it? So the 2 times 5 here is 10. The root 4 here is just 2. And they're multiplied together. And then we've got the final thing, which is root 3 times root 3. And we can see, can't we, that root a times root a is a. Therefore, root 3 times by itself is just 3. And when we times those together, 10 times 2 is 20, times 3 is 60. So we're definitely getting the same answer. And again, maybe it's not a case of which method is quicker. They are both, valid methods for tackling this particular problem. We're simplifying surds, and we're using these two main ideas, rules of surds. And yeah, either method is a good method to try that.